Papatong na yung pencil.
Give me 2 of this.
Ito.
2 of the 6
Ito
one.
yun, oh. 1.
Dalawang maliit. Tsaka yan, 6 ano ito.
Ayan, tama na. Tama.
The white needs to be here.
Wait, 1 is in the middle of this?
This is not the same.
Ano siya? 8 lang. Wala namang kakapitan.
Mom, all the things need to be here because
Gagalaw siya.
needs to be here because the melody, the other ones are here.
Yan lang para hawakan siya.
Like the others are here.
So, ganyan lang yun, no?
That is so fast. Ferdy.
Kalabas. It's coming out. It's floating.
So,
Okay. Oh, give me the small one. Baka dito to eh.
Ito na lang.
Nandito.
bored.
Boring.
Small pieces o mga mawala.
Let's put it here.
Mag-mix it.
Wait first. It's not mix hard to get to it, so might get
Small
lost
pieces
eh.
dapat hindi. Don't mix it there in the big.
Okay, fine. Don't pour it. Just the big one. I can pour
Apat
it
na
here.
bilog.
Like my melody, like that is me.
Bilog na puti, wala dyan. Careful ah.
Walang bilog dito.
You got this out. Now how is he? It's walks no.
Wala. Sasakay lang yan sa pencil.
You can put your other guys there.
Oh, cute. Thanks.
Yung bilog, so ito. Ito ah.
Oh no, toto build the ano na.
Bubuksan ko pa to. Ito na lang.
Hindi niyo mabubuko, hindi niyo mabuksan.
Yung dalawa. Nandito lahat. Iba may malaking tray doon nilalagay.
How many
May tray
puppies?
pala akong isa. Wait ah. I will get my... We'll move a little. Move.
Okay.
Move the chair.
Yan na guys. Unti-unti na. Namabot ng ganito to dyan. Ayan guys, yung mayari ng melody, hindi siyang nag-build. Yung mayari ng melody, hindi siya nag-build. Oh. Si Toto. Ayan na, nandiyan na.
Saan yung bilog? Wala dito?
Ano
Bilog.
sa kabila?
Bilog.
Ito sa kabila. Wait. Move.
Okay, next.
Bilog.
Wait first.
God, that's everything.
Sakto lang lahat eh. Okay. So this is like that. May gatla. Okay.
Mabilis pala gawin ito to.
It's weird. He's like a superhero.
This music.
Toto?
Yeah. He's like Batman. He's like Iron Man because he's so. No, he's like, who's that? The fastest guy?
Spider-Man?
No.
Don't move my gulo, may pilo on the back.
Who is that? The fastest guy in the superhero? Maybe Iron Man. Maybe Iron Man. Iron Man is the fastest, like Toto.
Apat na purple. May purple pa dito.
And
Wala, nandun.
Supergirl.
May purple
But I
doon.
wanna be Supergirl.
Hindi, wala.
Anong klaseng purple po?
Ganyan, eh. Tatluan. Don't make it gulo, Alexia. Move this thing behind you. I said, magulo eh.
Walang purple dito.
Meron.
Ito.
Ito malalaki na yun.
Oh, wala.
Ano mo na to?
Madalak yung purple na to po. Baka nandyan.
Hindi, black siya eh. Parang black na ganyan pero pink. Pink o purple o whatever.
Purple na maliit.
Hindi, nandiyan yan.
Ito baka, hindi eh. Mga ganitong
Ito,
style.
ganyan. Apat na ganyan.
Alex, dali. 4 na like that. This one. Oh, nandun na kay Toto. Ayan o. 1, 2.
Isa pa.
Ano yun pa? This one.
3.
That's one. Tama na.
3 long.
Ano pa?
3 long. 4 again.
Don't sit down na lang. So, you can eat it a bit. Next.
5.
May other Lego nga that Ate Francine game. I didn't use it. Apat na ganyan.
Hindi pa
Siyam,
nabubuo
3
ni
by
Toto.
3. Apat.
3 by 3. Dali. Wait.
Careful, let's see, may
Oh,
bump
that's
it, ah.
why.
3 by 3. Wait lang.
Yung ganyan flat na square. Apat na 3 by 3. Tapos mamaya yung bilog naman.
1,
Yan, sige.
Ito ano?
Sige.
2, 3,
4 daw. One more. This one.
4, 5.
Ikaw, ano ba yung isa?
Wait lang, look. Kung ano.
Okay, ikaw ano yung what
Hindi kayo prepare na natin. Pink, one
May
pink.
gatla yung iba, hindi. Parang may gatla dito.
Don't touch this ha. 1, 2. That's the next one ha. 3.
That,
Yeah, leave it there.
like that.
Yan yung sunod. Ibigay mo kay Toto.
Wait,
3.
quiet.
No, later. Put it here. The one we put next. There.
May gatla, no? Parang may gatla, no? Nakikita, oh.
I'm gonna build it.
Oh, may gatla po.
May gatla dito.
Oh, there. Leave. That's the next one, okay?
I'm gonna build it like that down.
Don't. Kasi it's different, oh.
Yung kurba, yan.
Oh, yan na. Bigay mo kay Toto.
Apat yan.
What's next? 1, 2.
You can make it dikit na. Sige.
Pink.
Okay.
Yung pink. 1.
It's pizza pie, ah. No?
It's like pizza.
It's like a pizza pie.
Yeah. It's like a pie, right? It's like pizza. For
Don't mix that.
for
Don't mix it nga kasi.
this,
Where's the pink one here?
This.
No, that's the next one. What's next? Yan na. Sige.
I can get.
Oh, get it now.
You think?
Iting talaga. Pag hindi mo nakita yan, ititing ka talaga ni Toto.
Malayo to. Hindi nakataas to. Hindi pwede. Paano yan? Hindi nakababa sa baba. Sa baba, ang layo.
Kasi may ikot nga po eh.
Hindi. Connection sa taas naman yun.
Ay, hindi dapat
Ito nakapatong eh. Oh.
Oo.
Look,
Hindi to. Baka may mas malapad.
look, mom.
Wala na. Yan na yung pinakahuli po.
Look. Look.
Okay. Yan na yung pinakahuli.
Ay, mali. Tragis.
Baka yung pag ano mo,
Yan na sa
pagkabit.
ilalim. Tanggalin mo.
Yan na.
Saan?
Yan na.
This one.
That's next. That's next. Leave it there.
At least masikip siya. Madalang
Ah,
hindi
this
mo siya
one?
Yeah,
matatanggal.
leave it there. That's the next one. That one, okay?
This one too.
It's a good thing there's a guide here. So you know where's the top bottom.
So this one. The part of dark pink and light pink.
Okay. Give me
Oh, give to Toto that. That one na. That one.
The
Give
flat.
it to Toto. That one.
dalawang
Huwag mo
flat.
hinaluan ng pink. Huwag mo haluan.
Dalawa lang.
Oh, next. The pink one.
Paano ito? Hindi nakababa. Nakalubog siya.
Tama po ba? Tatlo? Dalawa? Tatlo?
Ay, hindi.
Tatlong dot?
Papatong sa ilalim naman ganyan. Kasi nasa ilalim eh.
How many shapes diamond? How many shapes?
Dalawa. Ayan na. Sige.
Kung ganyan. Pag ganun. Hindi abot ito sa baba. Oh.
Big,
Tanggal siya.
big one, big,
Hindi natin kita.
so flat.
Ilang ito? Isang flat. Dalawang
Ay,
flat.
shit. Naka-usli. Alisin mo nga.
Dalawang flat legs.
Naka-usli.